This raggedy old Miata is the newest project. And since the outside is all dirty, swirled up and scratched, I think it deserves a DM Details restoration treatment. We'll clean clay, wet sand, and buff every square inch of this car. And we'll even test out a $10 bottle of ceramic coating. Stay tuned to see how the car turns out. Alright, I'm starting off by decontaminating and removing all the junk off the paint surface. I'm just using a standard dish soap, which is perfectly fine to do when the goal is to strip off previous waxes and greases that are all built up on this paint. Since the engine bay is the most filthy, I'll start out there. There's always risk when washing an engine bay, but I try to make it a little bit safer of a process by covering some of those areas that could get damaged. Degreaser makes easy work out of this oil and grease. Usually I'm not a fan of dressings and coatings in an engine bay, but considering how nasty some of these hoses and plastics were, I couldn't help but try some out. With the engine bay clean, I can move forward with pressure washing the outside, letting it soak, and then hitting it with my wash mitt. From here, I'll dry the car off and pull it into the garage. This video took a while to film, so between some of the steps, I got to enjoy the warm weather. Enough of that. Back in the garage, I might as well sand and get a fresh coat of paint on these wipers. Alright, now to get the paint cut and buffed. To try to limit how many scratches are left behind, and to get the best end result possible, I'm wet sanding this trunk. It looks like the previous owner used an actual bag of rocks to detail this car. I'm testing some of this so-called ceramic coating on the left side of the window, and I have a typical wax on the right side. This is my first time actually working with this stuff, so I didn't really know what to expect. After meticulous paint correction and polishing stages, I wiped the whole car down with IPA and applied the coating in a crosshatch pattern. I tried to work small sections, and I gave the ceramic coating about a minute to flash before wiping it off. Getting up close with the light, you can see it looks a little more glossy where the ceramic coating was applied. It turned out great, but I have no idea how long this stuff will hold up. If you're looking for the best DIY ceramic coating that lasts for over 2 years, Avalon King is the way to go. Now to pop on the wiper blades and front emblem, and check out how great this thing came out. It looks like a proper Miata now. Thanks for watching, and stick around for future content. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace. Oh yeah, click one of those videos in front of you. Go on, you know you want to.